Hi, my name is Anirudh Raizada,
And I'm Varnika Raizada.
and I'm proud to say that I've been associated with the ATS family for almost 15 years. Earlier, we were living in ATS Village for almost 13 years and shifted almost 1.5 years back to ATS Pristine. And I think it was one of our best decisions after ATS Village. Talking about the connectivity, talking about how the society is placed, it's near to every single amenity you can think of, be it malls, be it the airport, the upcoming airport, and the amenities that they have provided us is just world class. Talking about our flat that we bought here, the architecture of the flat, the construction quality of the flat, we've been with the ATS family, so there was no doubt about the construction quality or any other thing of that sort. But what we have been really impressed is the facilities that they have provided us. I think they're one of the first societies in Noida that has actually provided us with a Olympic-sized swimming pool. The landscape of the society, it's almost 80% of the society is green, and it is well maintained. I see that every day. They are hard at work maintaining the society. And the best thing about this society is the security. This is something which was always very close to our heart. We always look at projects and how secure they make us feel, because someday we will have our children, and this is something which is very close to my wife's heart, that it has to be secure. The society has to make us feel very safe.
I couldn't agree more with Anirudh. When we started looking for a house, the first thing that we thought about was it has to be secure for our children. When we have our children, I want them to go out playing without being worried about them all day long, which is usually the problem with the rest of the societies that we have been in. So here I see that all these kids play all day long without their mothers being worried about the security. If there is a small package to be delivered, all the guards go through the package. If a person is coming up, we get a call beforehand. So it's completely secure. Also, the people living here are so nice. There is greenery all around. It's so lovely to see the society through our balconies. It's just beautiful, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. And let me just talk about this sector altogether, like the sector 150. I think this is going to be one of the top sectors in Noida for living, and I mean, where we live, this is actually just bang on the expressway. So we are seeing a lot of construction happening on our towards the backside of our apartments. I think they're going to be 40,000-50,000 apartments here, and all of them are going to be premium apartments. So the gentry of the society, of not only our society but the locality of the whole sector, is going to be just amazing. I mean, we are seeing a lot of corporates coming nearby. We are seeing a lot of opportunities, not just for business but for work. And ATS is also coming up with its own club right next to our apartments. I think it's called Augusta, and it again is very focused on bringing up the sports segment of the sector, because what I understand about this sector is all about sports. So every society has some or the other distinctive facility revolving around the sports segment. Like I talked about the Olympic-sized swimming pool, we have 4 indoor badminton courts and multiple squash courts. I mean, the clubhouse in itself is very self-sustainable. We get all of the things here. There are salons, there are departmental stores. Everything that you can think of, you can just get in our society. And everything is very close by. So all in all, if one has to take a decision of where to live, I think ATS is the simple choice.
Also, as Anirudh said, in short, ATS Pristine has it all. Whatever you're looking for, this society has it. So don't think twice and just come live with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.